From selling items online to starting a podcast to offering your services as a virtual assistant, there are lots of opportunities to earn an income without leaving the house. So in this video, we're gonna tell you about top 5 ways to make money from home. The video is gonna be amazing, so make sure you stick till the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5. Freelancer. If you have a service that you can provide for people, go out and become a freelancer. There are a lot of business owners or people looking to have work outsourced for them. Whether that's through artwork, copyright, writing emails, there's literally a ton of different work that you can do as a service for other people and make money online from home. The biggest platform you can put your service-based skills is over on Fiverr.com. It's a massive network of freelancers promoting their services. However, if you're looking to make more money, you could also post your stuff on Upwork, where the quality is generally higher. So make sure you're ready to put in some work if you're signing up over at Upwork. Number 4. YouTube. If you've ever seen an advertisement on a video, before video, after a video that YouTuber is making money through that ad, of course, you're not going to get ads on your YouTube channel right away. You have to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within the previous 12 months to get qualified for ads on your videos. Another way you can make money through YouTube is through sponsorships. If you continue to put in work and grow your YouTube channel, you can also get paid through memberships where subscribers can actually join an exclusive membership, where you can get paid monthly through them for exclusive content and other rewards that you set up for yourself. On YouTube, you can promote everything. You can promote your affiliate marketing, your freelance, your courses. You can also promote your dropship products or your merchandise on your YouTube channel. Number 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is taking products from wholesale websites and putting them on your own online store or vendor and marking them up for a higher price. A lot of people use AliExpress.com to get their first few items on the store rolling because AliExpress online buys wholesale products without having to buy bulk. You can buy them individually, and whenever you get a sale, then you can make the transaction from purchasing through AliExpress to sending them to your customer. Most dropshippers getting started in the e-commerce world will start their store through Shopify. You can build a drag and drop your own store and a simple and easy to use platform. Another option for dropshipping is by using print on demand. Basically, you design your own t-shirts, logos, text, whatever you want to design, throw it on a t-shirt, throw it on a mug, and send it directly to your customers. And you can post your products for free on websites like Redbubble or even Etsy.com. Although Etsy is more focused on handcrafted goods, you can still do print on demand using their platform. Number 2. Courses. If you have a skill or something you know how to do, you can teach it in the form of a course online. If you know how to make a gingerbread house, if you know how to make a potato cannon, if you know how to program, if you know how to make videos, if you know how to use Photoshop, it doesn't matter what the skill is. People are out there looking to learn that skill set, and there are many different platforms you can teach your skill online. The easiest way to set up your course is by heading over to teachable.com and putting your information on their website for a set price. You can also check out udemy.com and do the exact same thing for a cheaper price. However, Udemy is more of a search-based platform where people will easily find your course. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products and getting a commission whenever somebody purchases through your link. You can do this through literally anything. If you've ever used Amazon, you can actually become an affiliate for Amazon. Any product that is on Amazon, you can make money off of. Sign up to the Amazon Associates program, and anybody who clicks on your link to that product and purchases, you'll get a commission. Not only on that product, but anything else that's in their shopping cart after they clicked on your link and checked out. Of course, there's way more money to be made affiliate marketing, selling digital products or software. Most networks want you to jump through a few hoops before you actually start promoting their products. They can do this completely for free, no hoops, by signing up through ClickBank, selling their array of products, or heading over to Digistore, where you can sell digital products, courses, and other software where you can get commissions ranging from a few dollars to hundreds, if not even $1,000 per sale. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.